Hi everybody, it's Katie from Originals, and today is Tool Tuesday where I pick a tool off that wall.
Let's go with a dapping block.
And I show you how to use it.
Okay, so we have our dapping block. I went ahead and pulled it out of the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's got all different sizes of domes. And then you also get two little wood punches to hammer to dome your metal. I've got my nice used one here, so we're going to use this for the demo. Let's jump into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our dapping block and we are going to take our circle and put that in the dapping block. Then we take our little piece here and we put it into the dapping block and we're going to hammer it into the dapping block. Okay? And now we have this cool little slightly domed piece of copper that could be a pair of earrings. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye!